Executive Council NEC meeting, which is holding today, the 20th of November 2025, at the national headquarters of the Labour Party. It is my pleasure to report and convey the activities of the party from the last national convention, which was held on the 27th of March 2024. The report is up to the last day of yesterday. The party has gone through several challenges during the period under review, resulting in several litigations and several managerial discussion between the party and INEC. Following the Commission's actions that have warranted the litigations, we're happy to announce that all those misunderstandings that have taken place is today being put to rest. We don't need to mention severally what had happened, because we are all aware of the trouble, discussions, and all the effort the Commission has made to ensure that justice is being done. And as a result of such interaction, we are seeing justice in its peak that is taking place today. Because of time, we have given the report to all members of NEC to go through, which I believe the report will highlight some of the requirements in which this NEC is expected to take into consideration. It is my humble opinion to request that NEC in session should approve and affirm the convention of Nnewi, and also affirm the officer elected during that convention. And also we request that NEC in session to humbly approve the filling in of existing vacancies in the National Working Committee. In this regard, we have submitted names of 3 personalities that NEC should approve their absorption into the National Working Committee. The officers elected during the 2024 National Convention that are requested to be affirmed and confirmed elected are: number 1, the National Chairman, Barrister Julius Abure; Deputy National Chairman, Mr. Clement Ojuku; Deputy National Chairman, Dr. Ayo Olorufemi; Deputy National Chairman, Dr. Esther Gulma; National Vice Chairman, North Central Ibrahim Utako; National Vice Chairman Southeast, Mr. C.K. Igara; National Vice Chairman South, Dr. Anthony C. Izawu; and the National Secretary of the party, Alhaji Umar Farouk Ibrahim; the Deputy National Secretary, Chief Rotimi Kehinde Adekule; Deputy National Secretary, Chief Innocent Okeke, the National Treasurer, Mrs. Ngozi Doga, the National Publicity Financial Secretary, Pastor Mrs. Dr. Dayo Ekong, National Publicity Secretary, Dr. Obiara Ifo, National Organizing Secretary, Comrade Yahuza Ahmed, National Legal Advisor, Barrister Kehinde Edu, the National Women Leader, Mrs. Dudu Manuga, and our able National Youth Leader, Prince Kennedy Ehanetu. It is also our humble request for the NEC to fill in these vacancies with the following positions. Number 1, Dr. Oluwafemi Abayomi Arabambi, National Vice Chairman, Southwest. Prince Febo Ruben, Assistant National Organizing Secretary. Barrister Enu Kikawa, Assistant National Women Leader, South. These vacancies existed, and we pray NEC to absorb them into the National Working Committee and affirm them. Also in the National Working Committee, there is assistant National Youth Leader in the number of Dr. Barry Abuto Johnson, South, and also assistant National Youth Leader, North West, in the name of Chindo Abdurrahman. So these are the list of the officers as elected, and also the vacancies being filled. A comprehensive list will be given to the necessary authorities that are here. So, Chairman, sir, I want to seize this opportunity to call.
Go ahead. I want to say something.
So, with this presentation of the Secretariat report, I hereby called on the NEC to affirm and declare this NEC in session open, and all proceeding and deliberation to be taken as in accordance with the Constitution of the Labour Party as amended. Thank you.
You have read it. I want to take 1 or 2 comments if you feel it's necessary. If you feel it's not necessary, then we can then move immediately to take the motion, adopt it, and then probably we just do a voting on it. But I want us to open the meeting for brief deliberation on the Secretariat reports that have been presented to us. Any comments? Any discussion? Enugu State Chairman.
In elaborating on this particular report, I want to say that we have done a yeoman job. National Secretariat have done a yeoman job. And I accept in totality, we are back to where we are. I urge our members in totality to move this party forward. This party remains the party to beat. I'm coming from Enugu. And Enugu almost won the governorship election of this party. we won two senatorial zones out of 3. 7 House of Rep members out of 8. And 14 members of House of Assembly out of 24. That was a moving achievement. And I want to say this. In Enugu State, where I come from, we are going to give this party the next governor come 2027. Inshallah, it must be done. On this, I move this motion. I second this motion. I move this motion. Sorry, sir.
Go ahead. No,
sorry, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Not
yes.
him. No, is he the one? Let him finish.
Well, I think don't confuse me by side talks. I was called here to comment on the adopted motion. I am commenting on the adopted motion. Side talks, please allow me. I want to say further that with what has been done, I want to commend our former vice presidential candidate. I was here when he came, and he promised that this party will reckon itself again by 2027. And they called on Mr. Pito, my brother, to come back to this party. He has no business with another party. He has no business in another party. I want to commend this house and say further, please, let us move forward to bring back P2B into this party. He is our man. He is our own brother. He is a man to beat. We are going to send Ahmed Bola Tinubu out of Aso by 2027. Inshallah, I commend everybody and say that as we move forward, we are brothers and sisters. Let us die everything that has happened as something that happened in the past. Thank you and God bless.
I will now call for a voice vote in line with the party constitution to affirm the motion that have been moved to us. So for those who are in support of this motion, say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.
Then number 2, Labour Party Constitution 20.
And has other engagements to catch.
If they can vote right now, it's important I see this.
Okay, you want to see this voting too?
Yes.
Okay.
They can quickly, please.
For those who are in support, say aye.
Aye.
Those against, say nay. The ayes have it.
So we just, because it's in a hurry to go for another function, we call upon you to please.